Points that we've been discussing are how to increase photosynthetic capacity and the photosynthetic rate of plants in order to obtain as much light energy as possible, transform it to biochemical energy, and then transfer that into the soil ecosystem, because everything that lives in the soil requires energy. If we want to have lots of microbes in the soil performing beneficial functions like building topsoil and making nutrients available to plants and improving soil structure so that water infiltrates better and there's less evaporation, all those things that we expect of soil, microbes are the things that build that infrastructure in the soil and maintain soil health and feed plants. But the microbes have to get their energy from somewhere. Their energy ultimately comes from the sun, and the plants act as a conduit for that. So if at any time you have bare soil, or if you do things to soil that inhibit life in the soil, like adding insecticides or adding fungicides, or some herbicides and some fertilisers have the same effect, then we're actually suppressing the very things in soil that we need to underpin profitability. So my talk was basically about how do we enhance photosynthesis, how do we maximise or optimise that through cover crops and companion crops and diversity, and also, so that's one side of it, like maximising all the benefits, all the good things, and how do we minimise the inhibitory things, like minimise the chemicals that we use in farming. At the same time as minimising our inputs, it also means that we're reducing our input costs. So by understanding how naturally we can improve output and reduce input in terms of costs, we can improve profit and the bottom line, and it's going to be good for farmers and good for the environment and good for wider society, because the food will also have higher nutrient density. So producing food that's got more nutrients in it but less toxic chemicals in it. So everyone benefits, and our waterways benefit as well, and the fish benefit, and when the water eventually gets to the ocean, the marine environment benefits. Yeah, so it's a win-win for everyone, and it's really just comes down to some simple management techniques that improve outcomes for everyone concerned.